45,000 miles. For what? A 2012? What do you think it used to be? You want a little staying in your life? Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. I am back at IAA this time. Absolutely. You know, it's a different yard. This one is a little smaller, but they have just as many cool vehicles, and look where they keep all their ATVs right there. And then they have lots and lots and lots of motorcycles right there. Pretty cool, huh? Well, I am on the prowl for something to add to my channel, and perhaps I can show you something that you might be interested in. Can I interest you in an old Harley? How about that? Or look at this. We have a red Volkswagen Jetta right there. Those don't interest me, but we're gonna walk around and see what we can find, because I guarantee you there is something out here that needs to come home with me. Spring is in the air and you want a convertible. Well, can I interest you in a 2012 Chevrolet Camaro with some collision damage right here? You will need a side mirror, as you can see right there. The top on this side looks okay. You do have a dent here, some missing paint. So this is kind of the impact area. As far as the rest of the body though, look at the tires on this thing. Wow. Okay. Nice. Very nice. Body damage? Nope, nope, nope. Well, okay, so this got pushed out a little bit. I can fix this. Just pop this in. See, look at that. Well, you got the tabs probably under there that need to be fixed. Everything looks great, even the top on this side. See? Oh, this would be a fun car. Redesigned in 2010, 2016, I believe. This isn't going to have the new ZL1, you know, the 650 horsepower engine, but it's going to get you where you want to go. And I believe she wants to start for us. So let's just kind of stick our head in here. We're missing the little side piece right there. I like the stripes. I really do. There is some damage right here, I'm just noticing. Right there, and on the hood. You could probably pop that back out right there at the top part of the nose piece. You'll need a side airbag or a seat. Just get you a seat out of the salvage yard, because these cars are everywhere in there. We have keys, we have power, and we have lots of dust. And we have a broken little key fob hole right there. All right, let's see what she's got. Here we go. And she's running. She's going to smooth out here in a little bit. Fuel level is low. Fuel level is, whoa, microscopic right there. Okay, so very quickly, let's just see. All this stuff's going to work. You know it's going to work. There you go. It needs a good wash and a good detail on the inside, because whoa, she's dirty. What did we listen to?
Rogers Turnpike and Highway 66.
Okay, talk radio. That's all right. I like the dash. I mean, there's a lot of just nothingness around there, but the fact that it is a convertible, absolutely. Yes, that is a huge plus. Let's see if we can take a look at the engine real quick. Here, I'm going to pop the trunk. We'll do that as well. What do you want to go to first? Let's go to the back. Here it is. Oh, well, okay, that may be an indication. That's your parking brake and a dust shield. You got 2 wheel well liners, some floor mats back here. Wonder if you have your missing trim piece back here as well. This is unplugged. Why do we have our tail lights unplugged on this side and on this side? Why would we do that? Okay, this is becoming a mystery. Why do we not have... So they took... See, your wheel well liner's missing. I don't know what's going on with the brakes. You do have a caliper right there. You do have a caliper and a wheel well liner right here. There it is. Okay, well this is the V8, better than a V6. That's nice. It's a little bit shaky. But it's silent though. I don't hear any ticking or rattling, or I don't see a whole lot of leaks. I haven't even looked at the mileage. Did you catch it when we were on the inside? That's a good little engine. Well, little. It's a nice V8. Okay. I'm looking for the emissions sticker and it's not even there. Okay, and the dent, you could probably get to it. Remove the pad, maybe, and it's just right here. Just pop it up, push it up. You could do that with your hands. Okay, we have a caliper here. We have a caliper there, but we're missing this wheel well liner. So apparently, I think they took off the bumper to address some issues under here. So there could be like some undercarriage damage, but neither of your taillights are plugged in. But this runs good. We have a service airbag light right here. Set. Here we go. Fuel level low. 45,000 miles. For what? A 2012? 45546. 45,000. No wonder it runs so nice. Okay. And just the airbag light. Okay, well, I love this. This would be so fun in the summer. Pop the top and have some fun. All right, if you like this one, it is here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Come by, take a look, or buy it online. Have them ship it to you. It is so easy, and I love the gauges right down there. Very old school. Nice. All right, 2012 Chevy Camaro, 45,000 miles. Thank you so much. Let's move on to the next one. Well, let's play a quick game. It's called, What Did This Used to Be? This is gonna be hard. What do you think it used to be? You can smell it from 50 yards. You really can. This whole thing just burned way, way down. Do you know what it is? There's your interior. There's the back. Everything has just been completely burned to the ground. And, okay. Do you know what it is yet? Wow, she burned. She burned. Even, look, the engine is all gone too. Everything. Even the wires, all the plastic on the wires, completely destroyed. All right, leave in the comments, what did it used to be? Was it a Toyota? Was it a Hyundai? Let me know what you think it was. Did you figure it out? Have you left a comment? Well, this used to be a Nissan Versa. Yeah, 2016 or 2018 Nissan Versa. Woo! Yeah, that's a hot mess. Literally a hot mess. Continuing with our spring theme, you want a little staying in your life? 2013 Ford Mustang, it would be an easy fix. These are everywhere. Every junkyard has probably 5 to 10. Yep, this is the updated one, so it's a little bit newer, a little bit nicer on the inside. Damage, well, you need a bumper, you need some headlights, you need a fender, you need a hood. This part you can fix, okay? Just grab your pliers, bend it up a little bit, but everything else looks okay. And look at the tires. Uni-Royal tires with a ton of tread. Tiger Paw on the back, Uni-Royal, equally as much tread. You got some good tires on this one. I love how they kind of updated the back of these. Slanted them forward a little bit. Another Tiger Paw. No damage, no damage. Get an emblem and a Tiger Paw with lots of tread. So whoever had this car put some tires on it recently. I think your bumper is actually on the inside. And there's power, which is even better. Yeah, I think this is your bumper right here. You're probably going to need it, but you got a nice interior. Okay, that's nice. Let me do this real quick. Sorry for the camera work. Oh, this is nice. Okay. Woo! Nicely updated. You got your shaker stereo. You have, well, the mileage just disappeared. How many miles do you think are on this before I started? Huh? I love how these sound. I really do. 73,000 miles on a 2013. And she sounds perfect. She sounds really good. Oh, they were using Bluetooth. It is 78 degrees out here, and it is early March. I love how they have color around the cup holders. Sync, powered by Microsoft. Look at this, door ajar. So let's close this. Oh, look at all that information. We got average of 20.6 miles per gallon. Okay. Here we go. We can change the gauges. We got 260 miles to empty. We got 3/4 of a tank of gas. Voltage, your alternator is doing fine. Transmission oil is coming up 72 degrees. Oil temperature is low because we just started the car. Air to fuel ratio, cylinder head. Ha! Air inlet, oil pressure is normal. This is really nice. Track apps. Can we go to the track apps? Acceleration timer, brake performance. No, let's look at, you can even, if you want to go to the track. How nice is that? I love it. This is a nice car. It's getting hot though. So the window works. Yep. Here we go. Let's pop the hood. Oil change done at the dealer, which is huge. This engine is silent. Is it a 6 or an 8? Is it even going to open for me? Here it is. There it is. So we have 3.7 liter engine, the 6-cylinder. Nice, and look how quiet it is. The belt, I mean, it's going, but you can see the white flashing on it, so the belt is not super, super old. You have a die-hard battery over there. You got your coils right here. This engine's in great shape. This is incredible. Wow. All right, you're looking for a Mustang. This would be a good option because they're in, how many red ones? There's a bajillion of these things. Get some headlights, like I said, the bumper, the grill, and you're good to go. This is really, really nice. This is an easy fix too. Super easy fix. How do you do your trunk? Where's your trunkle area? Here it is right there. Okay. Open this. And you get more car parts. I guarantee you there are some headlights in here. Probably part of a, yeah, see, look. Here, you got lights, you got part of your grill. Everything that was on the car when it had the crash. So you maybe could salvage it, I doubt, but you could, possibly. And, I love the Mustang. Okay, did you get the burn car right? I hope so. That was a tough one. We're going to turn that into a game, I think. Name that car. Because there are some good candidates here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. The car just went a little bit. That's okay. Yeah, that engine sounds really, really good. Okay. Anyway, let me know what you think about the cars in the video. Let me know what you think about the walk-around videos. And of course, I have lots of other content planned. We got the Volvo kind of on the road, then something broke. We got the Rat Wagon on the road, got the title for that. I have the Wonder Wagon on the road as well. So soon, well, 80% of my cars would be road ready. 2 of them will not be. Of course, Janice, the 1969 Mercedes that I have the engine apart, and the Mercedes SLK, which I'm done. I think I'm really done with that car. Okay, folks, thank you for watching. We're back with another video very, very soon. Have a great day, okay? Bye-bye.